Welcome back to my channel, Glitter Babes. Today I'll be creating a headboard made out of Dollar Tree plates. If you are a subscriber, then you know I mainly use poster boards for the base of my headboards, and I usually use a total of 6. And I tape both sides of the board to make it more sturdy. I'm going to be using 6 packs of these paper plates. I'm going to be spray painting them silver, and honestly, this was tragic because the wind was blowing heavy outside. After they dried, I took crushed mirror from Michael's and Mod Podge, and I covered the center of each plate. And you can also use glitter instead of Mod Podge. It is cheaper and it goes a long way. And I had some good plates and some bad plates. Like I said, the wind was blowing everywhere, so it was hard to spray paint them. So behind the scenes, I did go back later on and hand paint the ones that were messed up, so you'll be able to tell a little later. And I painted around 75 plates. I did 4 as an example because I'm pretty sure y'all don't want to sit here and watch me paint 75 plates. That is a lot of time. After I was done, I let them dry, and then I got my hot glue gun and I started to glue them onto the board. So I had the first row of plates go down all the way to the bottom, and it was a total of 6, and there was a little board still showing at the end. But later I'm going to go back and cut one of the plates in half and put it in that spot. For the next row, I added a plate in between the first row plates, and that is to create the pattern that I was looking for. So I continued on and I did 6 rows in total. And like I said, some of the plates are patchy right now, but I'm going to go back with my paintbrush later on and fill those in. After the 6 rows were complete, I took 3 plates and cut them in half, and I'm going to be putting those in the spaces on the top and the bottom of the board. And if you're thinking about recreating this project, I would advise you to cut the plate in half first and then put the crystals on it or the glitter, because it was kind of hard to cut through all the rocks that I had glued on there. After that part was complete, I took 3 more poster boards and I taped them together. And this panel will be on each side of my headboard, so I will be making a total of 2 of these. After that board was complete, I made a second one. I then added this body mirror on top that I got from Walmart, and I traced around it. After that was done, I took my box cutter and I cut out the center. I then made sure my mirror fit inside. Next, I noticed that some of the board was showing when I added the plates on the sides, so I added this mirror metallic adhesive paper. And after that, I added the plates around the frame. Now that the frame is completed, I'm going to take my metallic silver paint and do touch-ups. And I will now be using this mounting tape to hang up my backboard. And after I hang up this board, I'm going to hang up my mirror on top of it. And I'm using the same mounting tape that I used for the baseboard. This part is optional, but I did hang up these lights that I got from Amazon. And this is how the headboard looked when I was finished. And I love how the lights allowed me to separate the side panels from the headboard. Thank you all so much for watching this video, for subscribing to my channel, and all your love and support. I do have a second channel that I would love for all of you to go and subscribe to. Until next time, Glitter Babes, I love you all.